Two of them freezing up.
They're frozen. You know.
Feel it.
1, 2, 3, and still cold.
Hold on there. This man in a what?
Sandals.
This man
Sandals.
is
No, me not that cold again.
Randy, why you in sandals in the hills of Jamaica? Huh? I don't understand. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
In 200 meters, turn right.
So we are about 40 minutes away from our destination.
Take the next right, then slight right.
Are you gonna kill it? No, but it looks like it's hanging. Yeah, it looks like it's struggling. Why is it like winding with the rope? No, but look at this part. No, man, the poor goat, you need to let that rope loose a little bit more.
Yeah. Sometimes I get trouble here every time,
Yeah, but that's all. But it looked like in my truck. It's choking.
Alright, bring your child mic up now. Wife back your van. Are you good? Now you van. That's it.
Look at the poor little goat on the road. On the stick. See in there? The black goat. Look, oh God, no man, the thing's hitching up on the stone. You need to let go of that rope, seriously. It's hitching up on the stone, it's too, nah, that's wicked. Alright, please, me now left you loosening it a bit, like creatures.
You understand?
So where's the lady
You
then?
can't ease him up, man. Sure.
The goat, miss, the goat too high, too
with a little bit of morning
You need
punishment.
to let go of the rope.
Them know.
You know, see the goat that are trying to look at stone to get bread.
Them know they're not the rope short, they're not a long
The
enough
rope
rope.
too sharp, miss.
They're not, let him go. Come. Come.
And them first ones to put on church clothes, you know.
Oh, so that's why you make so much noise. You know one beard. Yes, you know. Yeah. Be quiet now.
One more? Will I get one more? Okay guys, so we actually had to park and walk. So this is the real Blue Mountain coffee, guys. The real Blue Mountain coffee. This is where it starts from. Right here, guys. You're tired? Jay tired for the first time on an adventure with the man, and him tired. See it there? So you must know, guys, it's real. See that? We're at the top right now. Trust me, guys, you guys missing out. This is some real adventure. Real adventure. We have to park way down there and walk. So I'm not the only one that's tired. Jay is tired. So let's go. Jay is all the way in the back. Yeah. It's serious. Jay is all the way in the back. It's no joke. Almost there, guys. Almost there.
Almost there, we have like a mile left.
They say we have like a mile left. Jay said we have like 1 mile left.
Brother, never ending walking this one. I never walk so long in my life.
Jay have the battery pack at 210 and his backpack. Guys, this is really no joke. Really and truly, this is no joke. everything now.
Yeah, everything now. We only want water now.
Only water,
Only water.
and we're good to go.
See, I'm going to stop up here so I'm finding if them have water. So I want to tank me up here.
Yeah. And just tell them to bring some.
Yeah, water.
So I got a ride from this nice gentleman right here. What's your name, sir?
Anjo.
Anjo. So we got a ride from Anjo because I have to go back down and get the stuff, the rest of the stuff actually, and bring back up to our camping spot. Because Anjo vehicle is a 4x4, off-road 4x4 vehicle, because the road is really bad up here in the hills. So thanks to Anjo, we're gonna get there and bring the stuff up and bring them.
Alright.
Finally made it. Cutting up some, well, breaking up some branches, start the fire. So we have the grill ready, but guess what? The grill doesn't have no grill, so we have to use some hangers for the grill. Here you go. Who's gonna do this? Somebody. No, me do it. Sorry.
How many? Hanger, this?
What is it?
You guys improvise a grill everywhere you go. I'm excited to see what.
Yeah, we improvise a grill everywhere we go. We improvise and make a grill everywhere we go. On every adventure we have to survive. That's the whole aim.
Survive everyone.
And we survive everyone.
I'll make them a burn a bit, you know.
Guys, what are you guys doing? Getting some blueberries?
Raspberries.
Raspberries?
Eucalyptus. We're now koala bears.
Those are green.
You want to try that one out? Try that one out for me.
No, this look green.
Yeah, that is ripe.
No.
It
Them
is
are right.
ripe.
Them I forget black. No.
I want to put the world side of the truth.
So you got us some coal?
Yeah, I got a zinc of coal.
Oh, that's nice.
Then the women out hunting, they're bound to bring back the something, don't it? Is that just gonna add it straight in? No, I don't know. There. I just straight in.
Hold on.
Put it on top of the hanger, the grease part of the grill. What's that? Maybe that can use in some way.
Oh, that's the grill?
Yes. Yeah.
That's too funny.
There's an entire tree down there now that's been burnt out. That's where we get them from.
It's very nice. Unfortunately, as you can see, the fog is dropping really fast. Yeah, it's dropping really fast. So I'm gonna send the drone up real quick so you guys can see what it's like, so you get a overhead view of what it's like out here. It's really nice. So beautiful. We are literally up in the hills, Blue Mountain, right up in the hills, guys. It's really nice up here, peaceful. Can't ask for anything better than this. It's really peaceful, really nice. As you can see, the fog is coming in over there. Everyone is over there, right by the tree. Well, yeah. Trying to explore this place. I mean, it's just so beautiful. Let's see what's down here. Wow, this is nice. This is absolutely beautiful. You have a little area right there that you can just hang out. I mean, this is just absolutely beautiful, guys. I love it. Well, where's that thing that you guys were eating? The berries.
They're all over.
Wow. So there are berries.
There is a eucalyptus tree.
Where?
That big one there.
Yeah. Trying to find the berries, guys. The berries are really nice. So here you have some berries right here. These are not ready, but just so you guys can see. This one look like it's ready. But you find them all over. Find them all over. Oh. So we're making some shrimp kebabs right now. She said she's trying to.
Yes, because I don't have what I need.
You don't have what you need.
No, I don't.
Well, I guess it's a survival moment. Here, you want to hold this for the table? Come on, just unfold it. Already. Who's brought these?
I brought 3 of them.
What you bring, Jay? What you bring? So with them there, you keep your snacks in your well.
Brother, I'm too busy to do all kind of stuff.
With cookies. Everybody put them food on the table and Jay have his stuff in his tent.
No worry, man. You think Jay they leave it any night?
Souvenir is food. While everybody, I brought shrimp and stuff, and Jay have him little snacks. You know,
Jay said we might wait till
For a rainy day.
for a rainy day.
It's raining now.
It's raining. Oh shit.
Now is the opportune time. And thank God for you to arrange them. Whomever brought them, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I did. Everything in that is good. I'm bringing them. What are you doing there? What's that?
I'm trying to model these things. Rosemary, lemon juice, orange juice.
Wow. What are we doing here?
Marinating the shrimp.
It's marinating, right?
Yo, give me this.
Okay. Time for the kebab, guys. Yeah.
The lemon and the orange juice that work.
Woo! Ready. Ready. Can't wait. Oh, and the fire is really, really nice.
Oh, smell it.
Mmm. Wow. That smells good. It's a homemade grill. Because we left the actual grill on at home. So let's see.
Something smells like pepperoni.
Nice. Woo!
Something smells like pepperoni.
So I go on there, man. Go and go pick berries.
Alright.
Woo. Is this one or two?
Two.
So this is two, right? So it's actually one person. Ready? Uno didn't bring any plates, so now have to go eat out on the hand. Uno must learn to travel with Uno.
So all the toast them there?
Yeah.
Nice.
Uno must buy Uno eco-friendly stuff and have them.
To the opening.
Would you like to try one
It's
of
hot,
the
you know.
berries? These ones are right.
No
I'm
more
gonna take berry
tongues.
out of man. Go.
Oh, listen.
These are going to be torn.
Berries.
I'm going to
It
do
isn't,
that.
it isn't gay if me I get a
No,
lot. Oh, listen, you.
no, I'm gonna take berries from.
So hold on there.
No.
Yeah, try say. Your friend,
No.
your friend. No love man thing. What listen?
No, me no. Yo, the shrimp them bad, but I'm just taste this side. This is going to feed around it. How is it? How is it? How is it? Is it good?
Yeah, boss, you can cook. You can cook.
See, man, you not bring no ingredients. The man
Oh.
put a pack of shrimp or some tomato and leave it at
And
that.
guess what? It is saving everybody's life. Cause what were we gonna eat?
Thank
Snacks.
you for the rosemary
And the lemon.
and the lemon.
All right, we give credit where it's due. The rosemary and the lemon and what?
Two solitary orange.
And two. No, that's my. Those are my oranges. Yes.
Thank you. So sweet.
So we give credit where it's due. Jay look like him love it. No, it tastes good enough. I haven't had mine as yet, but I know it tastes really good. Just by looking at it, I know it tastes good. So it's my turn. It's my turn. Thank you. Oh, go ahead.
No, you're holding on to the stick.
No, I'm not. Bomba! Oh, where the fuck you come from? So it's raining outside. Everybody is in their tent. Yep, it's raining. Yo, everybody good? All right. It's actually 6 a.m. guys, and boy, that sun just rising right over the hill right there. Yes, yeah, 6 a.m. right now, and let me tell you, it's really cold right now. Everybody is trying to catch the fire because it's really super cold. Morning.
Morning, we're still cold.
Oh my
We're
god.
trying to thaw out.
We need more wood in the fire.
Popsicles up here.
Fire. One of my kids.
Look at Orandi in t-shirt and jeans shorts, and it's like what?
0 degrees.
0 degrees.
I need some raincoat for the wood.
So everybody's packing up. Everybody's packing up and getting ready to go, except for Jake, because he's decided to stay up here. Yeah, he's gonna stay. Can I ask a question? Whose first time ever camping in a tent?
Mine! And next time I camp, I walk with a mattress.
It's your first time?
Of course.
It's our first time camping on the Blue Mountains.
Hey everybody, big up 23 SK for this amazing Blue Mountain trip at CINCHONA Botanical Gardens in the Blue Mountains. Awesome.
23 SK, 3 kids. Gratitude. Mother Nature, thank you. Couldn't have done this without you. It was my bucket list and I did it. Big up.
Thanks to 23 SK, CINCHONA Botanical Gardens up by Blue Mountain. Bad. Love it.
23 SK kids. Woo!
I'm gonna drop you.
Yo, bro. Bless up.
Respect.
Epic adventure, bro.
Respect.
Yeah, wait for the next one.
Yeah, man, nice, man. Respect. Is it?
23 SK. Marvin, big up yourself. Respect my boss.
Yeah.
You know?
Is it?
Kayewa. Couldn't do this without the boss.
Cool, no man.
Never know them places. Big up yourself.
Thank you. Thank you.
Rico, I'm so happy to see you.
Bring it